Vietnam is a land of captivating contrasts, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, and breathtaking landscapes stretch from misty mountains to golden coastlines. Imagine bustling cities alive with energy, tranquil villages nestled among emerald rice paddies, and flavors that awaken every sense. This is a country that promises discovery at every turn. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable 10-day journey, traveling from the vibrant north to the sun-kissed south. Prepare to be inspired by Vietnam's rich culture, stunning scenery, and the warmth of its people. The adventure begins now.
Hanoi, the vibrant capital of Vietnam, captivates visitors with its unique blend of ancient heritage and contemporary energy. Strolling through the Old Quarter, you'll find narrow streets bustling with activity, where centuries-old architecture stands alongside lively markets. Ho An Lake offers a peaceful escape in the heart of the city, surrounded by legends and shaded by graceful trees. The city's charm is further revealed through its renowned street food, where vendors serve up steaming bowls of pho and crispy banh mi to eager locals and travelers alike. Together, these experiences paint a vivid picture of Hanoi's enduring spirit and cultural richness.
Journeying to Ha Long Bay reveals a world of natural wonder, where emerald waters shimmer beneath the sun and limestone islands rise majestically from the sea. Cruising through this enchanting bay offers a unique perspective, allowing you to glide past dramatic cliffs and hidden coves. Kayaking brings you even closer to the intricate rock formations and tranquil inlets, immersing you in the serene beauty of the surroundings. Each moment spent here is filled with awe, as the breathtaking landscapes create a sense of magic and tranquility. Whether you're exploring by boat or simply soaking in the views, Ha Long Bay leaves a lasting impression with its captivating scenery and peaceful atmosphere.
Traveling south, we arrive in Hue, a city steeped in imperial history. The Grand Citadel stands as a testament to Vietnam's royal past, with its ornate gates and tranquil courtyards inviting exploration. Continuing onward, Hoi An welcomes visitors with its enchanting lantern-lit streets and well-preserved ancient town. Here, vibrant markets and riverside cafes offer a glimpse into daily life. Savoring local specialties like cao lao noodles and fragrant bánh bèo, travelers are treated to the region's rich culinary heritage. Unique cultural experiences abound, from traditional lantern-making workshops to colorful festivals that illuminate the town at night.
Next, the journey leads to Da Nang and Nha Trang, two of Vietnam's most celebrated coastal destinations. In Da Nang, visitors are captivated by the breathtaking Golden Bridge, a striking architectural marvel held aloft by giant stone hands. The city's pristine beaches invite moments of pure relaxation, with soft sands and gentle waves stretching for miles. Moving on to Nha Trang, the vibrant seaside atmosphere comes alive with bustling markets and lively promenades. Here, travelers can unwind under swaying palms or seek adventure through water sports like snorkeling and jet skiing. Both cities offer a harmonious blend of tranquility and excitement, making them ideal stops for those seeking both rest and exploration.
Upon arrival in Ho Chi Minh City, you are immediately greeted by the vibrant energy that pulses through Vietnam's largest metropolis. The streets buzz with the sounds of motorbikes weaving through traffic and vendors calling out in lively markets. As you wander, you'll discover a fascinating blend of old and new, from colonial-era architecture to sleek modern skyscrapers. Historical landmarks, like the Notre Dame Cathedral and the Central Post Office, offer glimpses into the city's rich past. Meanwhile, the dynamic street life, with its colorful food stalls and bustling crowds, showcases the daily rhythm that makes Ho Chi Minh City truly unique.
Vietnam is a land of breathtaking landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture waiting to be explored. Whether you're drawn to its bustling cities, tranquil countryside, or delicious cuisine, every journey here promises unforgettable memories. Let the warmth of its people and the beauty of its traditions inspire your next adventure. If this glimpse into Vietnam has sparked your curiosity, consider joining us for more travel discoveries. Like, subscribe, and share to stay connected as we continue exploring the wonders of our world together.